Let's start our demo with a session on Introduction to Data Science, Concepts, Evolution, Life Cycle, and its applications. Today, we all know that data is being generated everywhere through mobile apps, websites, social media, online shopping, banking transactions, sensors, and smart devices. Organizations are collecting massive amounts of data every second. But data alone has value unless we can analyze it and extract meaningful insights from it. This is where our data science comes into the picture. In this session, we'll understand what data is all about, why it is important, what is science and data science mean in simple terms, how data is converted into useful information for decision making, history and evolution of data science, the complete data science life cycle followed in real world projects, real world applications across industries such as healthcare, banking, e-commerce, education, and manufacturing, etc. Why organizations are investing heavily in data science, AI, and Gen AI. By end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of how data science is transforming businesses and creating exciting career opportunities worldwide. Let's begin our journey into the world of data science. Before we understand data science, let's first understand the most important fundamental question: what is data? Data is a collection of raw facts, figures, observations, or measurements. By itself, data does not provide any meaning or conclusion. It is simply information that has been collected. For example, student marks, bank transactions, mobile numbers, customer orders, online purchases comes under data. Let's understand different components of data. Let's start with facts. Facts are the basic details about a person, place, or a thing. For example, a person's name, age, or city comes under facts. Figures. These are numerical values such as salary, marks, sales numbers, or revenue. Observations. These are the pieces of information recorded by watching or monitoring certain activities. For example, how many times a customer visited a website or a student's attendance percentage. Measurements. These are values obtained by measuring something, such as temperature, height, weight, or distance. All these together form what we call data. In simple terms, data is equal to facts plus figures plus observations plus measurements. In simple terms, data is equal to facts plus figures plus observations plus measurements. Let's look at a real life example to make this concept clearer. Let's take a simple hospital example here. Here, the hospital records his name, age, weight, body temperature, number of hospital visits this month, and medical bill. Now notice that these values come from different categories. Name and age are facts here. Weight and temperature are measurements. The number of visits is an observation. The medical bill is a figure. Individually, these values are just pieces of collected information. When we combine all these facts, figures, observations, and measurements together, we get data. This is exactly what organizations collect every day from hospitals, banks, schools, e commerce websites, and social media platforms. Therefore, let's remember this simple formula: data is equal to facts plus figures plus observations plus measurements. Now that we understand data, the next question is all about what happens when we analyze data and derive meaning from it. That's called information. Information is meaningful knowledge obtained after processing, analyzing, and understanding data. Now let's understand the difference between data and information. Let's take a simple example. Suppose we have the following student marks. For students Ravi, Priya, Rahul, and Kiran. At this stage, these marks are simply data. They are raw numbers collected from an examination. However, when we analyze this data, we can derive useful insights. For example, Priya scored the highest marks. Rahul scored the lowest marks. The average score of this class is 80. These conclusions are meaningful and help us understand the performance of students. These findings are called information. So remember, data is raw facts. Information is meaningful insights obtained from the data. Another simple way to remember this is data tells us what edge is. Information tells us what it means. Even simpler way of defining it as data plus analysis is equal to information. The ability to convert raw data into meaningful information is the foundation of data science.